Now, this is a very important problem. Find the directional derivative. Find the directional derivative find the directional derivative of phi is equal to xy square yz cube at the point at the point 2 minus 1 1 in the direction of the normal to the surface x log z minus y square plus 4 equal to 0 at the point minus 1 to 1. See, find the directional derivative of the function phi at the point in the direction of normal to the surface. Now, you are given a function phi in the point 2 minus 1 1. The point. In the del phi the maximum directional derivative. This is maximum directional derivative. If in the direction PQ, what is the change? Directional derivative in the direction PQ, del phi dot PQ unit vector. Del phi dot PQ unit. Along x-axis, del phi dot I. Along y-axis, del phi dot J. Along z-axis, del phi dot K. But now what he is asking, the directional derivative of the function phi at the point in the direction of the normal to the surface. He has given a surface. In a surface, x log z minus y square plus 4. Here you are given a point. Point minus 1 2. Here you draw normal. And the normal you find unit term. He says directional derivative of the function phi at the point P in the direction of normal to the surface. If in the direction you want, in the direction of normal. Take a unit normal. How to find unit normal? You know surface, you know point, you know how to find unit normal. Now you see first of all whether the point is on the surface. X is value minus 1. Z is value 1 log 1. Y square 2 square 4 plus 2. You know log 1 is 0. It is 0. Minus 4 plus 4 is what? 0. 0 equal to. So the point is on the surface, correct? If now you have to find the normal. For that what do you do? I leave the constant here. This I take it as psi. This I take it as psi. Psi is what? X log z minus. Now you find the del psi. What is del psi? I dou psi by dou x. J dou psi by dou y. K dou psi by dou x. I. Psi with respect to x. With respect to x is 1 log z. Plus j. Psi with respect to y minus 2. K. Psi with respect to z. X into log z derivative 1 by z. So x into 1 by z. This is 0. If now at which point you are finding minus 1 2. Minus 1 to 1. Appo z க்கு 1 போடும். Z க்கு 1 போட்டானா log 1. I log. You know log 1 is. Y க்கு 2 போட்டானா minus 2 into 2 minus 4. x க்கு -1 z க்கு 1 போட்டா இது -1/1 அப்போ -1 minus. அப்போ del psi is -4j minus. இது normal vector. Del psi is normal vector. You want unit normal. Unit normal means del psi by modulus of this. What is del psi? -4j minus. What is the modulus for this? Root of is -4 square 16 plus 1. -4 whole square 16 minus 1. So -4j minus j divided by root 17. If now I want this del phi. Now you take phi. Phi is xy square yz. Del phi I phi with respect to x. J phi with respect to y. K phi with respect to y. Phi with respect to x na y square. With respect to x na y square. It is 0. J with respect to y upper x into 2y 2x x into 2y. With respect to y z2. K with respect to z it is 0. Y 3z. Now you find del phi. Del phi at which point you want? 2 minus 1 1. Y ki -1 square na 1 appa -1 whole square 1 I plus j. இப்போ 2xy xy na -2 அப்ப 2xy na -4. Z cube na 1 cube k y வந்து -1 3z square 1. அப்போ this is nothing but I minus 3j minus 3. Ida maximum directional derivative del phi. இப்போ the change of the function phi at the point B in the direction of normal. In the direction of normal, take a unit vector along the normal. That's what we have taken. So the directional derivative of phi of the change of phi at P, you are at the point P in the direction of normal. In the direction of normal to the surface. So what will happen? Del phi dot del psi. Del phi dot n unit. If now you see this is del phi. I minus 3j minus 3j dot minus 4j minus k divided by what? Root 17. If now this will become either dot product I into I another 0. J coefficient -3 -4 plus 12. K coefficient -3 -1 plus 3. So 15 by root. If this is the change of the function phi at the point B if you go in the direction of the normal. So this is a very important problem. So first you have to find del phi, that is the maximum directional derivative of the function at B, but in the direction of normal to the surface, take the surface, find the normal vector, unit normal, take that product. Next problem, before we go to next problem, the idea you must know. In the plus 2 lab, you would have studied these two formulas. You are having a plane. The plane passes through the point x1, y1. You are given a point on the plane. The plane passes through x1, y1. You are given a plane, you can draw normal to the plane. Normal is a line. The lines only will have direction ratios. Direction ratios. direction ratio, DRs. What are the DRs of the normal? ABC. The plane passes through which point? X1, Y1, it is a one point formula. If what is the equation of this plane? A into x minus x1. A into x minus x1. B into y minus y1. C into z minus z. This is the equation of the plane. This is one point formula, equation of the plane. I want a line equation. If the line passes through the point what? X1, Y1. The line has DRs, direction ratios, ABC. The direction ratios only for straight lines. In the line passes through this point, direction ratios. In the plane passes through the point, plane direction ratios correct. The plane will have normal, and the normal is a line. Other direction ratios ABC. Appa this is plane equation. In the line equations, equations of the line. X minus x1 by A is equal to y minus y1 by B equal to z minus z1 by C. So, this is a line equation. Here 2 is equal to the equations. There are two equations here. X minus x1 by A is equal to y minus y1 by B is equal to z minus z1 by C. School parameter. This is one point formula, line equation. If now you are given a surface, in the problem you are given a surface. You are given a surface. See here, this is the problem. Find the equation of tangent plane. Find the equation of tangent plane and normal line to the surface. To the surface. xz square, xz square, x square y is equal to z minus 1 at minus 1 3. How do you know this is a surface? A function of x, y, z. X z square, x square y minus z is equal to what? Minus. A function of x, y, z is equal to constant means what? Surface. If on the surface you are given a point, right? This is the surface, this is the point. In the point minus 1, 3, 2. If here you want tangent plane forward. Here you want to draw normal. Normal is a line. If the line or the equation, normal equation, in the tangent or the plane equation, they are asking. Right? If in the point the surface satisfy satisfy x is minus 1, z square na 4, x square na minus 1 whole square 1, y 3, z is 2 minus 1. This is minus 4 plus 3. This is minus 4. 1 minus 3 2, sorry, the point is 1 minus 3. Upon x value 1, z square on the 4, x square is 1, y is what? Minus. Upon 4 minus 2 minus 1 equal to. So satisfied. So, now you see, this is satisfied. Now in the surface, you bring all variable to one side. Constant is the other side. If this is phi, phi is equal to x z square, x square y minus. x z square x square y minus. Now you find del phi. What is del phi? I phi with respect to x, j phi with respect to y, k phi with respect to x. இப்போ phi with respect to x போட்டோம்னா z square, இது 2xy, z square 2xy இது 0. With respect to y போட்டோம்னா இது 0 x square. With respect to z போட்டோம்னா this is x into 2z 2xz. With respect to z is 0, இது minus. If you substitute the point 1 minus 3 2, 1 minus 3 2, substitute பண்ணோம்னா del phi. இந்த del phi z square na 4, xy minus 3, 2xy na 2 into xy minus 3, 2 into minus 3 minus 6 plus j, x square is what? 1, k 2xz, xz na 2, 2xz na 4. So this comes to minus 2y plus j plus 2. You know del phi is what? Normal vector. Del phi is normal vector. இப்போ இந்த நார்மல் வெக்டார் இதான் del phi, இதோட நார்மல் வெக்டார். இந்த வெக்டார் வந்து -2i plus j plus 3. இந்த ijk கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட்ஸ் இதான நார்மல் வெக்டார். அப்ப நார்மல் லைன். இந்த ijk கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட்ஸ் ஆர் drs. So what are the drs of this normal? In the drs of normal are ijk equation -2 1 3. இதான் எல்லிஸ். இப்போ பாருங்க, we want the plane equation. Tangent plane the plane. The plane passes through which point? 1 minus 3 2. That's the point. What are the drs of the normal? -2 1. So you apply this formula, plane equation. That's tangent plane. இப்போ the tangent plane இதா formula. ABC are -2 1. இதா point. A into -2 into -2 into x minus 1. B வந்து 1. Y minus of -3. இது வந்து -3. இதை சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணனா +3 ஆகும். ஏன்னா y1 வேல்யூ -3 னு போட்டனா +3 ஆகும். C is 3. Z minus 2. So ABC values are -2 1 3. Point substitute பண்ணுங்க. expand பண்ணுங்க. -2x plus 2 plus y plus 3. 3z minus 6. இப்போ -2x plus y minus 2x plus y plus 3z. இது 5 minus 6 minus 1. இப்போ இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேர்ம் எனக்கு பாசிட்டிவா இருக்கணும் சார் அப்படினா மல்டிப்ளை பை -1 into -1 போடுறேன்னா 2x minus y minus 3z plus 1. இதுதான் tangent. So the important thing, you take the surface, find del phi, அதான் normal vector. And the normal vector ஓட ijk coefficients are drs. dr தெரிஞ்சிருச்சு, drs of the normal தெரிஞ்சிருச்சு, point தெரிஞ்சிருச்சு, plane equation. You want line equation. இந்த line equation அந்த formula x minus x1 by a. அப்ப x minus x1 இது normal. x minus x1 x minus 1. Y minus y1 y plus 3. Z minus z1 minus 2. What are the drs? -2 1 4. Is that normal line? Tangent.